definitely one of the cooler parts about the job. Just getting to do stuff like this. I haven't loaded a lot of these. This is my second time loading one of these, so I'm actually using the mirror at my job to kind of help me keep it straight on the truck. Until I get good at learning how to operate this thing, I just kind of trying to increase my chances of success. So on this one, this way and that way does the bucket tilt. This way lifts the bucket up. I want the bucket up a little bit to be able to back it onto the truck. Alright, now I'm going to put the chains on it. All right, so I'm running 2 here, and then I'm gonna run a chain from this hole here, same over there, and I'm gonna ratchet them down with the log bind, with the chain binders. If you guys haven't already subscribed to the channel, I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can today. I appreciate y'all watching.